Okay, so this video will be about how to adjust the voltage and frequency on the Generac 4000 EXL. I understand that the 7000 or 7500 is much easier, but this one is really pain in the butt. So I got only two hands, so I'm not gonna actually do it, but I will just guide you through how to do that. Okay, number one, adjust the frequency. Fairly easy. It's this bolt over here, which is just attached to the spring, and that goes to the governor. Pretty much whatever, left or right, you're gonna have to get a frequency meter like one of these, kilowatt easy, which actually does read the frequency, and adjust it to about 61 Hertz. When it's running without the load, it's gonna go down maybe to 58 under the load, but there's not much you can do about it. So that's how to adjust the frequency. But adjust the voltage, well, you have to get to this control panel here, which is inside the power box behind the electrical outlets and switches and fuses. And to do that, you have to first dismount the tank. Then what you do with this, you have to move this backward a little bit. Pretty much just get a screwdriver and lift it, and all four of these pins here, and shift it backward. You don't have to take out the battery, but I did because the battery was dead. And then of course there is a couple screws that you unscrew from here on each side. That's actually right here. You have to unscrew those, and then this box is about 6 screws, 3 on each side, and that's Phillips screws. You have to unscrew those, and then finally you will get to this board. The little adjustment screw is right here, this one here on the side, and if you screw it to the left, you will actually raise the voltage. To the right, you will lower the voltage, but it just takes a little, maybe quarter turn to raise about 4 or 5 volts. So be careful. Again, get one of these to read the voltage. It helps a lot, and you can adjust it while it's running. Pretty much it was running about 118 volts without a load before, and with the load was going down to 110, 111 volts, which I don't kind of like. I like to keep it at about at least 115 or 118 under the load, and without the load maybe about 125, 126, and that should be the perfect, I guess, perfect medium setting. I would say when you put a little load on it, it's going to go down to 120. When you're going to put a big load on it, it's going to go down to about 115, 116, which is still decent voltage. Okay, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get one of these whiteouts, or actually, what the hell is this? Yeah, whiteout. And I'm gonna little white out over the little screw, so it will not twist on me anymore. So anyway, this is it. Good luck with it. Next time. Okay, so everything is back together, and this is gonna be just the final test how everything works without the load and under the load. So let's see. Just shut this off first. volts. Okay, so that looks okay. I'm a little bit bummed because the gas is leaking out of this out of this shadow here. Maybe not anymore, but it was leaking, so I just need to be careful. Okay, that's it.